How is all your preparations geared up? Okay. So the first question that comes to your mind is, what unit should I select for the CSER net? Any unit? Huh? Is there any specific unit that is seriously going to give me out a very good marks? So that is going to put me in my comfortable zone. Then this video is definitely for you all. Keep watching this video on how to select the units and what are the non-skippable units that I'm going to recommend you. Yes. If you take, as far as the CSER is considered, you have 13 units that is absolutely going to be very, very filled with total things of the life science. So about out of these 13 units, how many units you are planning to learn? 10. Good. Less than 10, 9, okay, 8, somewhat okay, 7, please increase the units, okay? Yes, minimum you have to do with 8, 9, good is going to be 10, okay, right. So among these 10 unit strategy that I'm going to take, maybe 8, maybe 9, maybe 10, out of this, yes, out of these units, which units are non-skippable? Please make a checklist. So out of this 13, you are going to make this 10. Out of this 10, please check out whether these units you are doing it or not. If not, please include these units because these are highly important and must study units. Okay, without wasting time, we'll see what are these 6 units that you shouldn't miss. Number 1, I'll vote for ecology. Okay, so why ecology? Because ecology is a very, very easy unit. Quickly you can finish it, and majority of the questions are very simple, easy and interpretation based questions. So you will very easily score marks in part C and part B. Greater than 50 marks questions come from this topic. So this is number 1 non-skippable unit, ecology. Okay. So coming to the second unit, which you should not miss. Right. So the second unit that I will recommend you is going to be molecular biology. Okay. Molecular biology is easy. No, it is going to be conceptual. You have to understand a lot. But why I recommend it as a non-skippable unit is that because of the weightage of the questions that you get in molecular biology. Yes. So from this molecular biology, you will get a lot of questions of more weightage. You will get questions from replication, you will get questions from recombination, repair, transcription, translation, RNA processing, post-translational modification. For any exams, not only at CSER net, for any exam, absolutely this is a non-skippable topic because it strikes the basic of life science. It is the central dogma of life. So you cannot miss this molecular biology. 40 marks to maximum 45 marks will come. Okay, right. So already 2 units are done. One is ecology. Why we selected ecology? Because it is simple and very easy to understand. More questions come. That is number 1. Number 2 is molecular biology. It is rich in concepts, difficult to study, but questions are numerous in number and very important also. So if you are appearing for interviews also, after your completion of the CSER net also, you will get questions from molecular biology. Okay. Number 3 that I am recommending you is developmental biology. Many students don't take developmental biology because if at all they are from basic science, they could have had it as a subject. But advanced subjects like biotechnology students like us, we didn't have that much detail on biotechnology. But please don't ignore developmental biology because you will get straightforward question from developmental biology. Nothing other than Gilbert will be asked. So you know for sure that for this question, this is the answer. In no other subjects, you will get such straightforward question and answers. Only in developmental biology, you get such stuff. So don't skip developmental biology. Yes. So 3 units I have shortlisted. Number 1, ecology, simple unit. Number 2, molecular biology, weightage unit and master study unit. Number 3, developmental biology, straightforward questions are going to come from this unit. Okay. So what is the fourth unit that is going to be non-skippable is methods. Methods in biology. I agree that the syllabus is very vast for methods. Lot of techniques are there. But don't skip. If you don't like that particular technique, leave that technique alone. If you like chromatography, you like microscopy, these are all the techniques, spectroscopy. Definitely after becoming a research scholar, obviously you have to get around with these equipments only. Statistics, yes, field biology, ECG, EEG, all these electrophysiology techniques, radioactivity techniques, yes, as a research scholar, you will be definitely handling all those things. That is why CSIR has kept that unit. Okay. So don't miss out that methods in biology. Definitely, I'll help you out a very strong thing on this unit. So don't ever skip these methods in biology. Why? Because that is only going to take you to the next level. Okay. So most of the students who are not able to crack because they are stuck between the score of 80 to 90. Why? Analyze and see. It is because maybe you could not have missed any of these important units like methods, right? So don't skip methods. It is long. At least few subtopics you learn. Okay. So I am not asking you to learn completely the methods. At least few important topics you learn. Definitely you will get questions from that. And all the questions from methods are analytical. So that is only going to test your skill. So without methods, crossing a JRF is very tough. I'll just directly tell you, mark and keep it in writing and come to me if it is not true. Yes. So those who are getting into AR and those who are cracking it with this JRF category, definitely at least 30 to 40% they could have covered from methods. Okay. Such an important unit, weightage unit, and everything is there in the methods. Okay. So how many units I have told? Ecology, and then molecular biology, developmental biology, methods. Okay, these 4 units I have told to you. What about the next important unit that you can never miss? Huh? So it is going to be cell biology. Cell biology, it is a simple topic. How long we have been studying this cell biology, isn't it? Yeah. So you could have studied from your lower classes only. What is a cell? What is the mitochondria? What are the signals? Right? What is the cell cycle? What about this operon, transposable elements, plasma membrane? How many topics? Active transport. So many important key topics are there in this cell biology. And the cell biology, it is a linker unit. Okay. So if you understand cell only, you will understand biochemistry. If you understand cell biology only, you will understand the replication. For replication also, you need the cell cycle. So this is a basic unit. You can never miss this cell biology. Okay. So apart from this, you might choose the other units. Okay. So these 5 are must study units. What are they? Ecology. Yes. Molecular biology. Number 2, we saw molecular biology. Number 3, we saw developmental biology. Number 4, we saw methods. And number 5, I told you cell biology. Apart from these 5, yes, you can choose your own other 5 units. Like, in my class, I used to take up with evolution. But evolution questions are a little bit less these days. So that is why I didn't put it under the top 5 category. I'll tell you why I'm not putting them into top 5 category. Evolution, questions number are varying. Okay. So it is not coming that much these days. So that is why I didn't put it under top 1. Plant and animal physiology are always equal in number. Okay. Right. And then biochemistry, it is difficulty level is little bit high. It may not be suitable for everybody. Okay. So that is why I didn't put it here. Applied biology, you get very less questions. And also this unit 11, diversity, it is also very less questions coming. So that's why I didn't put. Genetics is a very, very important unit. If you are able to learn genetics, 100%, it is going to be a complete package, right? Okay, so all the very best. So keep on your selection list. You can comment which units you have selected and I will give you my best recommendations for you. So all the very best. I'm there always with you. Keep on learning, keep on reading. Definitely you will reach great heights one day. All the very best all. Catch you up in another interesting session. Bye-bye. Take care till we meet. Thank you all.